Welcome to my channel. My name is Hugo and I use drones to capture and sell Microstock footage online. I've been doing this since 2012 and the last 3 years very seriously. I grow my income every month. Last September I made over $4,000 of passive income. I upload to sites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Storyblocks, Pond 5, Get the iStock, Blackbox, Wirestock, LME and many more. I make money traveling, discovering and capturing the beautiful world. I mainly use cinematic drones to capture videos like this data center, but I also use FPV drones. Capturing Microstock has brought me to the most beautiful place in the world and will take me to new amazing places in the future. I discovered it's also very nice to help other people too. So follow me, hit that subscribe button, share your experience and let's go on this journey together.